Morning everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all well and good. A very warm welcome from Sheva Group of Schools online class. Yes children, today we are going to write the English classwork of class 5. The poem name is The Swimmer and Practice Makes a Man Perfect is the supplement reader. The Swimmer and Practice Makes a Man Perfect. So cover the line children, cover the line, write the lesson name and headings children. So Roman number 1, fill in the blanks with correct connecting words. Fill in the blanks with correct connecting words. என்னென்ன connecting words அப்படின்னா because, so இந்த ரெண்டு வேர்டை வச்சு நம்ம ரெண்டு சென்டென்ஸாக கொடுத்துருக்கிறதுல இந்த ரெண்டு வேர்டில் ஒரு வேர்டு போட்டு சென்டென்ஸை கனெக்ட் பண்ணணும். So the first one, so after writing the headlines children, draw the line by using the scale and pencil. So here the options are because, so இந்த ரெண்டு வேர்டை வச்சு தான் நம்ம சென்டென்ஸை கனெக்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். The first one, he ate 2 chocolates. He ate 2 chocolates. So he got cough. அவன் 2 சாக்லேட் சாப்பிட்டதுனால so he got cough. அதனால அவனுக்கு இரும்பல் வந்துச்சு. He ate 2 chocolates. So he got cough. First one is over. Leave a line here. Number 2. So the first one here the connecting word is so. Here the connecting word is so. So first one is over now. Leave a line. Number 2. The rat ran fast. So அந்த rat எப்படி அந்த எலி என்னாச்சு ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக ரன் பண்ணிச்சு because எதனால because a cat was chasing it. Because a cat was chasing it. A rat ran fast because a cat was chasing it. Here the connecting word is because. So second one is over children. Leave a line here. Number 3, he missed his purse. அவனுடைய பர்ஸை தொலைச்சிட்டான். He missed his purse. So he was sad. அதனால அவன் என்ன ஆயிட்டான் வருத்தமாக இருக்கான். So he was sad. Here the connecting word is so. He missed his purse. So he was sad. Clear children? Number 4, Tom left the class because he was sick. So Tom வந்து கிளாஸை விட்டு வந்துட்டான் வெளியே. So for எதுக்காக அப்படின்னா because he was sick. அவனுக்கு உடம்பு முடியல. So here the connecting word is because. Tom left the class because he was sick. The fourth one is over children. Leave a line here. Number 5, he lost the key. அவன் சாவியை தொலைச்சிட்டான். So he could not open his room. அதனால அவனுடைய ரூமை ஓப்பன் பண்ண முடியலை. So here the connecting word is so. He lost the key. So he couldn't open his room. So the fifth one is over children. So again I am going to recall the Roman number 1. He ate 2 chocolates. So he got cough. Here the connecting word is so. So he got cough. Leave a line. Number 2, the rat ran fast because. Here the connecting word is because a cat was chasing it. Third one, he missed his purse. So he was sad. அதனால அவன் என்ன ஆயிட்டான் ரொம்ப வருத்தமாயிட்டான். So he was sad. Fourth one, Tom left the class because is the connecting word because he was sick. Fifth one, he lost the key. So here the connecting word is so. He couldn't open his room. The Roman number 1 is over children. Leave a line or otherwise draw the line by using scale and pencil. Now we move on to Roman number 2. Match the following. The same process here also children. So and because we have to use. Number 1, the cat was hungry. So it ate a fish. அதனால அது என்ன ஆச்சு ஒரு மீனை சாப்பிட்டுடுச்சு. The cat was hungry. So it ate a fish. Second one, I was on leave. நான் லீவில் இருக்கேன். I was on leave. So because I had a headache. எனக்கு தலைவலி வந்துச்சு. Because I had a headache. Clear children? Yes children, now the match the following. Third one, he was afraid of that dog. So he ran away. அந்த நாயை பார்த்து அவங்க பயந்ததுனால அவன் என்ன ஆயிட்டா ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக வேகமாக ஓட ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டா. So he ran away. Here the connecting word is so. So we have to match the word correctly children. He was afraid of that dog. So he ran away. Third one is over. Leave a line. Number 4, she went home early. அவ வீட்டுக்கு சீக்கிரம் போயிட்டா. because she had to attend function attend பண்ணுறதுனால வேகமாக வீட்டுக்கு போயாச்சு. She went to home early because she had to attend function. So the Roman number 2 is over, children. Draw the line by using scale and pencil. Now we move on to Roman number 3. Answer the following. After finishing the headlines, cover the line by using scale and pencil, children. The first question is, why did the audience cheer? ஸோ அந்த மக்கள் கூட்டம் எல்லாம் எதுக்காக வந்து அவளை ஆரவாரம் பண்ணது அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. why did the audience cheer? Here the answer. Before writing the answer, leave one line, children. So and leave 2 finger gap and start writing the answer, children. The audience cheered because she was nearing the finishing line. அவன் அந்த ஸ்விம் பண்ணும்போது அந்த ஃபினிஷிங் லைனை டச் பண்ண போனாலே கொஞ்சம் நியராக இருந்தா, அதனால் ஆடியன்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணாங்க, அவளை ஆரவாரம் பண்ணாங்க. The audience cheered because she was nearing the finishing line. The audience cheered because she was nearing the finishing line. The first question is over, children. Leave the line here. Number 2, how did the girl seem? Question mark you have to put, children. How did the girl seem? அந்த பொண்ணு பார்க்குறதுக்கு எப்படி இருந்தா அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ before writing the answer, leave 2 finger gap, children. The girl seemed greater than all because அவள் என்ன பண்ணுறா, அந்த ஸ்விம் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மேலே ஏறி நிற்பாங்க இல்லையா, டைவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. ஸோ அப்படி மேலே ஏறி நிற்கும் போது எல்லாரையும் விட பெருசாக ஹைட்டாக இருந்த மாதிரி இருந்தா. greater than all. The girl seemed greater than all. How did the girl seem? The girl seemed greater than all. Second question is over. Leave the line here. Number 3, what did the archer want to show to the crowd? What did the archer அப்படின்னா அந்த வில் வித்தையில் சிறந்தவர் சொல்லுவாங்க. அவர் என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, என்ன அந்த பப்ளிக் அந்த கூட்டத்துக்கு என்ன காமிக்க விரும்பினார் அப்படின்னா, ஸோ பிஃபோர் ரைட்டிங் ஆன்சர் leave 2 finger gap, children. The archer wanted to show எதை காமிக்க விரும்பினார். The archer wanted to show his archery skills to the crowd. அவருடைய வில் வித்த திறமையை வந்து மக்களுக்கு, அந்த பொதுமக்களுக்கு, அந்த கூட்டத்தில் இருக்க மக்களுக்கு காமிக்க விரும்பினார். What did the archer want to show to the crowd? Here this is a question. Before writing answer, leave 2 finger gap, children. The archer wanted to show his archery skills. அவருடைய வில் வித்த திறமையை, his archery skills to the crowd. Third question is over, children. Leave a line here. Clear, children? Yes, children. Now we move on to 4th question. Why did Uttaman become angry with the old man? உத்தமன் ஏன் அந்த வயதானவர்கிட்ட ரொம்ப கோவப்பட்டாரு அப்படின்னா, எதுக்காக கோவப்பட்டாரு அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க கொஸ்டினில். ஸோ பிஃபோர் ரைட்டிங் the answer, leave one line here and leave 2 finger gap, children. The old man commented on the archer Uttaman. ஓல்டு மேன் என்ன சொல்கிறாரு, அந்த கும்பலில் அந்த க்ரௌடில் நிற்கும் போது கமெண்ட் பண்ணுறாரு, ஒரு வார்த்தை சொல்கிறாரு. எதுனா, saying that everything was a matter of practice. இதெல்லாம் ஒரு பெரிய விஷயமே கிடையாது, எல்லாமே ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணாலே வந்து நமக்கு கரெக்டாக வந்துடும் அப்படின்ட்டு. ஸோ உத்தமன் became angry. அதனால் உத்தமன் என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, அந்த வயதானவர் மேலே கோவப்படுறாரு. Why did Uttaman become angry with the old man? So answer, the old man commented on the archer Uttaman, saying that everything was a matter of practice. So Uttaman became angry. So the 4th question is over, children. Draw the line by using scale and pencil. Now put right parent sign and get your parent's signature, children. Clear, children? Yes, children. Now we move on to the book exercise. In our book, page number 105 is having, children. So take out the correct rhyming pair from the poem and match with the given word. Take out the correct rhyming pair from the poem and match with the given word. The first one, tall. See here, see the picture here. This is tall and this is the crowd. So for all, tall, all. Light. Second one is, this is light. This is flight. Light, flight. This is a rhyming pair. Light, flight. Third one, might. M-I-G-H-T, might. Here the boys are fighting. So fight. Might, fight. Tall, all. Light, flight. Might, fight. Yes, children. Then another book exercise is page number 111. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First one is Uttaman was skilled in. Here the options are painting, archery, dance. The answer is archery. Uttaman was skilled in archery. The second one, the old man was carrying. The old man was carrying. Options: gods of oil, gods of milk, gods of water. Here the answer is gods of oil. The old man was carrying gods of oil. Third one, the old man is. The old man is. Options are a vegetable vendor, an oil seller, a merchant. So here the answer is an oil seller. The old man is an oil seller. Fourth one, the old man put dash on the mouth of the god. So here the options are a piece of paper, a small coin, a small stick. So answer is a small coin. The old man put a small coin on the mouth of the god. Clear, children? Yes, children, I hope that you all understand how to write the classwork. So write the classwork neatly and clearly, children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you, children.